This is wig number 376 from Magic Hair Company, and this is our inside cap construction. Our wigs are glueless and full lace or front lace. This particular wig is full lace. You can see there is no wefts in this unit right here. We do have this scalp illusion right here, and as you can see, the hairline is less dense right here, so that way it will give you a more natural and realistic look, because we want your wigs to look natural and realistic. Our wigs are natural, comfortable fitting, and easy to put on. Watch how easy I put on this wig right here. And all of our wigs are glueless. We will definitely cut this lace for you, whether you purchase your wig in store from us or online. Shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We'll definitely style the wig for you. We do custom coloring here in store. Our wigs are glueless. This is a full lace wig here. So because it's full lace, you can part this wig all the way down the middle like that. And it will give you a lot of style and versatility. So whether you do the part straight down this way or this way, it's going to give you a lot in style and versatility. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company, where we have the best glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs. We're located here in Culver City. See you soon.